Hi everyone, so I'm going to be talking about this replace keyword or method in JavaScript because it's going to be really important in your midterm. So I want to go over this replace method, and essentially it's really important if you want to look for a word within a string. You can actually replace certain words as well. So in order to do that, let's do this. If we do console.log, and what we can do inside the console log is we can specify what we want to change. And right here I'll show you in the JavaScript documentation, it's really important to go to the W3 schools and look for these keywords or methods. This is the replace method. And what's happening here is you can see that there's a text sentence here. And what's doing is it's calling that text and then calling that replace method. And then it's looking for Microsoft. And it's right here. So it replaces that word Microsoft with W3 schools. And then if we scroll down here a little bit, we can see there's these different keywords which are like G and I. So if we use the keyword like GI, if we use those keywords like G and I, it means that no matter what casing, whether it's uppercase or lowercase, just replace that color blue. As long as it's the color blue, replace it with the word red. But over here, if it's saying just G, it's saying just look exactly for that color blue, so it'll only replace that one thing, or this one as well, but it will not replace this one with the uppercase B. So I'll show you an example what this means. So we'll go over here, and we'll just call the sentence dot replace, and we'll replace the word blue. So I'll replace the word, make sure you use the /blue / and it turns a different color because it's a built-in thing in JavaScript, so it knows it's different. And we could specify it first to be GI, and that's saying just find any word that is blue or like has that word blue and replace it now with a keyword, let's say yellow. And now let's try running this node test.js. Now even here in the console log it says there's a yellow pen that has some yellow ink. So you can see even if it's a capital B, it still gets replaced by that word that we want to replace it. But if we remove this letter I, and now we just have G only, if we save it and we rerun it, you can see here that the capital B did not change to yellow because it's different, it's just a capital. But here, that lowercase blue, which is here, blue ink, it got replaced with the word yellow because now we're looking for that exact match within the sentence, and we want to use that replace keyword so it replaces whatever we want to find in the sentence.